Kajingkaan kasuk kasanya ke Jylla Meghalaya namar ke Ichamati, kadei namar kidon ki nabar Jylla ki Pynshit. Ya ke Ichamati ke jingpynshit ka babon galawan Jylla West Bengal. Myntri korbar ke Meghalaya ulo ang ka sorkar kampat kyntu dan bthah eiei ke sorkar West Bengal ban Peit banumdan ki Pynshit ki jingjia Meghalaya. Hynrei ulo ang bakari ke Kamram ke West Bengal ani kino ki Jylla ban Peit bakamdei bandan ke jingpynshit ki jingjia Sha Kiwei part ki Jylla.
Sometimes we have to ignore this type of element because there are many people now with this social media, they want to propagate themselves in some way or another, but by doing so they may affect others. But so in my opinion, this type of people, sometimes we have to just ignore them, because the moment we give them the importance, so what is the consequences. The only thing is that we should not take any statement, we should not take any provocation lightly. We as the government, we have to be very vigilant, and what action, necessary action, or what is to be done, the government is fully equipped to do that. But it is a responsibility of each and every state that to see that no element could do on their own jurisdiction to disturb the peace of other part of our country, be in Meghalaya, Assam, or anywhere. So we are one as the country. So it is a responsibility of each and every state government to see that no element as such which could mar or reshape the atmosphere in other part of the country.